Discover the power of Python solutions. Unlock limitless possibilities for your business with our comprehensive Python services. At Privage, we specialize in harnessing the versatility and power of Python to streamline processes, enhance efficiency, and drive innovation. Explore our Python solutions and elevate your business to new heights. Why choose Python? Versatility. From web development to data analysis, machine learning, and automation, Python offers a comprehensive toolkit for tackling diverse challenges. Cross-platform compatibility. Run your application seamlessly across multiple operating systems, including Windows, macOS, and Linux. Extensive library and framework ecosystem. Leverage a rich ecosystem of libraries and frameworks to accelerate development cycles and unleash your creativity. Data analysis and visualization. Extract valuable insights from your data and visualize complex datasets with ease using Python's robust data analysis libraries. Machine learning and AI. Develop advanced machine learning models and AI solutions to drive innovation and gain a competitive edge in your industry. Web development. Build scalable and secure web applications, APIs, and microservices with Python's powerful web frameworks. Automation and scripting. Automate repetitive tasks, streamline workflows, and boost efficiency with custom automation scripts tailored to your business needs. How we work. Our Python development process begins with a thorough consultation to understand your business objectives and requirements. We meticulously plan and execute the implementation, leveraging the most suitable Python libraries and frameworks. With thorough testing and quality assurance, we ensure robust and scalable solutions that meet your needs. Advantages of choosing us? Cost-effective solutions. Benefit from Python's open-source nature and eliminate licensing fees, providing cost-effective solutions for businesses of all sizes. Scalability. Our modular design and robust libraries ensure that your applications can scale effortlessly to accommodate increasing demands and complexity. Time-efficient development. Python's simplicity and concise syntax enable faster development cycles, reducing time to market for your projects. Expert guidance. Our team of Python professionals provides end-to-end support, from initial consultation to post-deployment maintenance and updates. Our services, Python web development, build scalable and secure web applications, APIs, and microservices with our Python developers. Python data analysis and visualization. Extract valuable insights from your data and make informed business decisions with our data analysis services. Python machine learning and AIs. Drive innovation and gain a competitive edge with our advanced machine learning and AI solutions. Python automation and scripting. Streamline your processes and boost efficiency with custom automation scripts tailored to your specific needs. Python integration and migration. Seamlessly integrate Python solutions with your existing systems or migrate legacy applications for improved performance. Python maintenance and support. Our experts provide ongoing maintenance, security updates, and support to ensure your Python solutions remain robust and up to date. Python consulting and training. Leverage our expertise through consulting services and customized training programs to upskill your team and maximize the value of Python in your organization. Experience the power of Python solutions and unlock new opportunities for your business with Privage. Contact us now